Hey guys, Sak here from SAKITECH, and in today's video we're going to talk about the Samsung Galaxy S11 / the Samsung Galaxy S20. And again, let me repeat for people that are not aware, the Samsung Galaxy S11 is going to be renamed to the Samsung Galaxy S20. And in this video I'm going to talk about the actual display of these smartphones. We do have a brand new update. So just a while ago, Ice Universe, one of the most reliable Samsung insiders, tweeted that the much anticipated feature, the 120 Hz display refresh rate, might actually be canceled on the S11 and the S20, which, as you can imagine, caused massive disappointment for people that actually care about this feature. Now, a lot of people don't care about this feature, including myself, even though I'd rather have it than not have it, obviously. But some people really do want this option on their Samsung smartphones. Ice Universe gave us some bad news yesterday, saying it might be canceled. Not that it's canceled, but it might be canceled, okay? So today, he rectified that. Now he has confirmation in his latest tweet. I'm going to project that to the screen, and he says, it is confirmed that 2K 120 Hz will not be canceled. And when he says 2K, that's the display resolution of the smartphone. And also he continues, this was a misunderstanding. You will not miss the perfect combination of the best display and the smoothest experience. Let us look forward to February 11. So that's great. Samsung Galaxy S20, S20 Plus, and the S20 Ultra with the 6.9-inch screen is coming out in February 11th in a Samsung Unpacked event, and it's going to be a 120 Hz display. And also, if you're not aware, you are going to be able to switch between 60 Hz and 120 Hz based on your needs. If you do 60 Hz, you get a slightly longer battery life, nothing dramatic. If you do 120 Hz, you get smoother scrolling, okay? It's not a performance issue. You just get a smoother scrolling and also get higher refresh rate on games that's supported, but you'll sacrifice a little bit of battery. Again, nothing dramatic, all right? So let me know, this is amazing news. It's confirmed, unofficial confirmation from Ice Universe, unless he goes crazy again. But so far, everything is fine. So drop your comments below and let me know what you think about this news. Of course, it is positive news. For now, guys, have a fantastic day. I will see you in the next video and update. Alright, so if you found this video useful, make sure to subscribe to SAKITECH by clicking that button, and also click that bell icon on the side to make sure you get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you do use Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook, you can follow me at SAKITECH online to get the latest updates as well. Alright, have a fantastic day.